Today I'm going to talk about color charts, and these are these little swatches of color that you see on paper. When I work with watercolor, I like to make these ahead of time so I can see what the colors will look like when I mix them with another color. And basically I take the colors on my palette, my messy palette, and I mix it with the tube color that I have. For instance, let's look at this blue one here. This is cerulean. I just started using it and I wanted to see what it would look like with other colors. So I mixed it with vermilion. I did a test with opera, with permanent rose, basically using every single basic color I have on my palette to see what they look like when I mix them with that particular tube color. In this case is cerulean. So that's my tip for today. Make yourself some color swatches. It's a lot of fun, it's stressless, you're painting, and think of them as the color swatches you get at your local department store or home improvement store where you can see what the color would look like. This gives you an idea of what the color will look like when you put it on paper when it's mixed with other colors. So that's my tip for today. Enjoy your creative journey and keep practicing.